Hi.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So my name is Cabernet. I live in Japan, and so if anything in my video looks a little bit different, it's because we live in Japan. This is Jordan here.
Hi.
So this is Jordan here.
Hey guys, it's Jordan here. Hi, it's Jordan here.
Oh my gosh.
And today, I know my mom.
Okay, she thinks she's gonna help me.
I'm not. I am helping myself.
Meal prep with us, guys. This is a quick little meal that you can make. If you're vegan, you can also make this. You can just change up the recipe with adding more veganized items, but I will be using chicken. So this will be two meal ideas. It's very similar, mix and match to whichever one you like. In Japan, it's really hard to find lunch meat, but I did find some. They sell ham, okay? But it's really hard to find salad chicken or like turkey. Basically, there's no turkey here. But we're using smoked salad chicken. You can find the smoked salad chicken at Lawson. So basically, I cook all the time, but I just don't have time to film me cooking. So if you want to see me cook and chat along with me today, that is what I will be doing. This knife is new, it's sharp, so Jordan, stay back. Yeah. All right, so with this yellow pepper, thank you. We're gonna gut it. We're gonna call it gut it. I don't know if it's really called gutting it, but we're gonna take out the insides, okay? And I have this pot for all my little trash. Yeah. I recommend doing that when you're in the kitchen cooking because it just makes the cleanup a lot easier. Yeah. I have a bunch of dishes behind me that I need to wash, but we'll be doing that a little bit later. I worked all day. I'm a teacher if you're new here. Yeah. And
I'm a student from her school. But I'm not her.
But you're not in my class.
Yeah, I used to.
She used to be in my class.
But I was kind of bad.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes,
but I'm in second grade.
All right, wash the inside out. That's what I'm going to do real quick.
He's a kindergarten teacher.
All right.
K4, K5, first grade and second grade. And I'm in second grade.
All right, so I washed it out. It's all clean. You can make stuffed peppers with chicken, with hamburger, with ground chicken, with ground turkey, and then just add a little bit of rice. And if you like cheese, you can add that on top. But we're not doing that today. I know you probably thought I was, but we're not. We're making a sandwich, baby. This is low carb. You got bread? So no, we don't have bread. We don't have bread. We're going to be using this for the sandwich. So the first sandwich that I'm going to make is
a bell pepper.
A red bell pepper sandwich. We're going to cut that bad boy open like this. And you can get some of the insides out to make it more flat.
More sweeter.
No, to make it flat, make it easier to eat.
Yeah.
So the reason why I'm eating low carb for the next 3 days, like very low carb, is because I am stalling in my weight loss, guys. So hopefully this will help me to drop the 2 pounds that I want to eliminate this week. So, okay, inside of here, you're going to add a tomato. Of course, wash it off first.
I'm going to get bananas and I'm going to make some. I'll put milk in it, maybe some butter, make some banana bread myself.
I'm going to add in some oil real quick. Fry some up. Just get a little bit translucent, and then I'm going to add it to my sandwich, okay?
Banana.
See, look at you lying. You lying. You lying.
No, I'm making a banana stir fry.
You cannot stir fry, but so tiny cutting boards. Okay, so cut up some tomatoes, however many you like. I love tomatoes, so we're making 2 versions of this sandwich. So, and I'll let you know which one I like the best. So stick around to the end so you can see me taste test both of these. Peppers are so good. Yeah. If you don't eat peppers, comment down below. Let me know you don't eat peppers.
And chibbery pepper.
I hear bam.
Bam, bam.
Bam. Who is that who used to say bam? Let me know in the comments down below.
I do.
Alright. I have vegan mayonnaise, and I just love this. Japanese mayonnaise is actually vegan, and I didn't even know that. So, we're going to go ahead and make our sandwich because it's pretty much done. If you like avocados, you can add that to be, if you need a more filling sandwich. I am not that hungry, but I'm just going to do it just to show you what the sandwich can potentially look like.
Yeah. To make a stir fry, you need this. A banana stir fry, and it's going to be made out of bananas.
And you cannot stir fry a banana, sweetheart.
No, it's like called a stir fry, but I'm not stirring.
This is cooking with Cab and Jordan in the kitchen. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a really ripe avocado. I'm just gonna get maybe 2 pieces out of this, like that. All right, so let's build a sandwich now, guys. This is our avocado.
Ooh, mayo.
Put some mayo. I love mayo. Let's add our avocado, salt and pepper. We're gonna use some pink Himalayan sea salt. I highly recommend this. I'm gonna put the onions right up on there. We have our air fried chicken and we have smoked chicken. So this one will be made with the smoked chicken. Okay, I'm gonna use 2 pieces, not too much.
Yep, not too much.
Yep, not too much. Then we're gonna add some black olives to this. I love black olives. Do you guys love black olives? Let me know in the comments down below.
I love olives.
I love olives. Whenever I go to Subway in America, I'm like, extra black olives, please. Yes. Alright, so 2 jalapenos. And there you have it, guys. I have built a sandwich. So this is the first one. You can also add lettuce if that's your thing. I'm going to add lettuce to the second one. This one already has avocado on it. So, very much low carb. Put it in MyFitnessPal to see how many calories this is. I'm sure it's like less than 100 or less than 200 calories.
You're chewing.
You don't have to worry about your bread being soggy if you make this as a meal prep. You can literally put everything in your little lunch container without it being built and build it during your lunchtime. Let me take one more bite. Wow. Wow. Omit the meat. Use fried mushrooms. And you can meal prep all of the mushrooms if you want. Now we're going to build one with now I'm going to build one with the air fried chicken. So that's up next. Alright, you can add your mayonnaise. Add your tomato. I'm going to add 2. Then add your chicken. Air fried chicken. If you want it to, you can also add salt and pepper to your tomatoes. This, my camera ran out of juice, but this one is better. If you use the air fried chicken in your low carb, what is this? In your low carb pepper sandwich, amazing. I mean, you can do both, but I'm a fan of the air fried chicken. So let's take one more bite. Really good. If you try this, let me know. Like I said, I love the air fried chicken with this meal. You can use turkey, that probably would taste amazing. You can use avocado. You can omit the meat altogether and make this vegan, but yes, this is what I'll be meal prepping for the next 3 days for myself, so I can see if I can drop at least 2 pounds this week, because that is the goal. I am doing the Juice and Toya 4-week New Year challenge, guys. So if you want to see more videos like that, I have one on my channel where I've done Juice and Toya. I have a video where I've done the Grow with Joe challenge, but yeah, I think I want to document the next 2 to 3 weeks while we're on week 2. So I think I want to document the next 2 weeks to see if I can drop at least 4 pounds in the next 2 weeks. We're on week 2 right now, but I'm going to see, guys, if I can do it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!